Once upon a time, there were mosquitoes that spread a scary virus called West Nile. But guess what? Scientists have made a fascinating discovery about these pesky insects. These mosquitoes have a special trick to survive the cold winter. They enter a deep sleep called diapause where they rest and fatten up. But hold on. Something unexpected happens when these mosquitoes encounter bright lights at night. The light pollution confuses their internal clocks, and they forget to go to sleep. They become active and keep biting people for longer. This is bad news because the late summer and early fall are when these mosquitoes are most likely to carry the virus. Scientists at The Ohio State University discovered that artificial light at night can have different effects on mosquitoes, depending on the time of year. During winter, the light pollution disrupts their ability to accumulate essential nutrients and makes them weaker. But here's the scary part. In summer, the bright lights make them more active and hungry, increasing the risk of disease transmission. These groundbreaking findings are just the beginning. The scientists will now take their research outside the lab to see if the same happens in the real world. This research was made possible with support from the National Science Foundation, Ohio State University, and the U.S. Department of Agriculture. So, next time you see a mosquito buzzing around, remember the secrets they hold and the dangers they can bring. Stay tuned for more updates on how to protect yourself from these buzzing creatures. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.